Hi guys! The seasons are changing already, even though the weather seems to not be aware because it's piping hot here again. But the produce is going in the way to autumn, or is moving towards autumn, and we're already seeing some pumpkins hitting the stores and some beautiful autumn produce hitting the stores, like these beautiful plums. And that is why I decided they're available, I need to make something with them. And today I'm gonna be making a plum tart or a plum pie, which has a delicious cheesecake layer, and then it also has some crunchy crumble on top, which fits perfectly with the little sourness of the plums. I have the sugar in a medium bowl here, and I'm gonna add the softened butter to it. And then you want to give it a short mix with a mixer, a hand mixer, until it's all well combined. So after a short mix, the butter is looking pale and it's combined with the sugar. That's when you want to add in the egg. And give it a mix again until all well combined. So mix now for about 30 seconds. It's all nice and creamy and well combined. Now I have all my dry ingredients mixed in a separate bowl, and I'm gonna start adding in the dry ingredients slowly while mixing on a low. And then you just want to shortly pulse it, sort of pulse it on high, so that everything is mixed in and that's ready. So don't mix it too long, just until it's all combined. Then you want to grab the pie dish and transfer the dough into the pie dish. You can start spreading it with a spatula. But because it's a very soft dough, you will have to help with your hands a little. So with some flour, so flour your fingers and start evening out the dough into the pie dish. And once you have the base ready, you want to make the fillings. So I have the quark here and the sugar, and I'm just gonna add the one egg. And then you just want to mix it well until it's all well combined. I just remembered I also wanted to add some vanilla, so adding about a teaspoonful of vanilla. And continue mixing until it's all combined. And once it's all well combined, you can pour this over the base. Then you want to slice the plums and add them on top. Then I have all the ingredients for the crumble over here. So the flour, the sugar and the cold butter. And I'm just going to combine it all well with my hands. And once your crumble is ready, you just want to evenly spread it over the plums. And now I'm gonna pop this in the oven, and as always you can find the recipe linked in the description box. Once you remove the plum pie from the oven, you want to cool it completely before cutting it or serving it. I just wanted to mention that in this recipe I'm using quark because we have that available, and I like using quark because it's a low-fat kind of option. If you have quark available, then go ahead and use quark, but if you cannot find quark, you can also use for example, low-fat cream cheese for this recipe, or you can use ricotta. So both of those should work the same way as quark. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget that thumbs up for support and subscribe for some more delicious recipes. More plum recipes coming soon. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.